it's Linda with Sweet Aria Decor. I'm going to teach you how to make my 6-5-4-3-2-1 bow. And I'm starting with two 2.5 inch and one 1.5 inch ribbons. And I also have a pipe cleaner and a zip tie, which are optional. I'm going to start with my base ribbon. I'm going to do what's called a dovetail. So I put the two edges together and I snip it. Okay. I'm going to pull this down. I'm going to make a tail about as long as I want to. This measures about 14 inches. So it's about a 14-inch tail. Now I'm going to pinch and twist. And I'm looking at the back side of the ribbon here. Now I'm going to make a 6-inch loop. Okay. And it measures right here. I'm not shoving it down. It measures at 6 inches. So I'm going to push that down and then I pinch and twist on my right side. So then I am looking at the back side of the ribbon. I'm going to pull it back over and make that loop 6 inches. And then I'm going to pinch and twist here on the left. I'm going to do this so that I have 3 loops on either side. 2, 2, 3, and 3. So this gives you 6 loops total at 6 inches each. Okay, that is how we handle our 6 layer. I'm going to pull this tail down, kind of eyeball it next to it. All right. Now we're going to keep these in the center, and then I'm going to go up on the right with the next layer and then down. And then that one's going to go, then the next layer is going to go down and then up. So I'm separating these loops out. You want them to really move independently of each other so they're not snagged on each other. Here we go. Perfect. So that takes care of our 6. Now for our 5, I'm also going to dovetail that. We're going to go about 1 inch less on our tail. So this would be about a 13-inch tail. Pinch and twist. And then now over on the left-hand side, I'm going to make a 5-inch loop. I'm going to make 5 total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just 5. All right, and I'm going to pull this down, kind of measure out our tails again like I did before, give it a snip, and dovetail. And now we're going to move our loops, because we have 3 on one side and 2 on another. We're going to take this middle loop here, this middle one in the stack, and we're going to pull that all the way up to the center. So that's going to kind of look like it's kind of coming up right between our top 2 ribbons from the layer below. That one is going to come up to the 10 o'clock position. This one will kind of come down to 8 o'clock. Okay, and on the other side, those as well. Okay, so we want the white to show, and if the white needs to be between the 2 red that are below it, this way we're not covering any of our tails. Now, granted, the tails are coming down the same side on the right. Once we get it all fixed and done, you won't even notice that anymore. Okay. So we have our 6, our 5, and now our 4. And we have this cute little red and pink peppermint, which is very popular. Pink Christmas is definitely in style. I'm going to bring this tail down. That should be about 1 inch. So that'll be above that one. So that's going to be a 12. So on this one, our tails were 14, 13, 12. Okay, so you put this through. Now we have to do 4 loops at 4 inches. Okay, so look at my bow maker. That looks like 4 inches. Pinch and twist. On the right hand, 4 inches, pinch and twist. Here's our 3rd loop. And our 4th loop. Now, here's where our 3 comes in. I'm going to pinch and twist. Put this loop through. Put 3 fingers in here, okay? 3 fingers, I measure that to my center loop. That's about 2 inches. So that's 3 fingers means 2 inches, okay? That's where the 3-2 comes. 3 fingers means 2 inches. Bring this tail down. move our loops so that these go between the white ones. All right, and now I'm going to grab this all out of the bow maker, push down from the top while pulling up from the bottom. Keep it together. Don't push too hard. You don't want anything to fall out. Put this directly underneath your finger, just a slight movement to get that pipe cleaner there. Grab a zip tie. All right, we're going to wrap this around here. Thumb goes under, slipped it right under there. All right, bring this around. Now, pull the zip tie, but don't tighten it too far yet. Just kind of bring it around to the back. Make sure it's tight, but not too bad. I'm just going to grab the pipe cleaner to hold on to this while I do a final fluffing of my loops. All right. Start from the bottom, then pull over that white tail from the middle layer. All right, and pull that over. Okay. Then I'm going to pull that top loop over. We're going to make that a big loop. Okay. Now you'll never see. Now let's adjust here. We want the red behind, the white kind of on top, and then the stripe over that. All right. All righty. Okay. Here we go. So now we have our 6 at 6 inch, 5 at 5 inch, 4 at 4 inch, 3 fingers, which makes a 2-inch loop, and then you have 1 beautiful bow. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me all over social media, and you can shop my store at sweetariadecor.com.